Powergold's industry-leading history tools are not only available in the schedule editor, but also the music library, which is the focus of this video. Clicking the History button brings up the history grid in standard view. And now the fun begins. The row of buttons across the top overlay various information on top of the grid to help you see how your songs are scheduling in relation to time period, special shows, block programming, policies, and even the no repeat grid. Other new functionality has been brought to the history view, especially in the music library. The first of which is deciding how you want to see your song's history. The first thing I want to do is click the grid settings icon and choose Indicate Weekends and Hide Blank Days. You can see what Indicate Weekends does to the grid, but Show Blank Days will only show days a song was scheduled. Since an A power current song is scheduled every day, you see no change to the grid. But if I click on a gold category and highlight a song, you can see the blank days are hidden and only the days the song scheduled appear. This allows you to see the pattern in which these songs are scheduled, just as it was an A power current. Clicking this button will show you song history 45 days prior to today's date, which is February 14th, 2010. To the right is a little drop-down arrow. When you click it, you can change the number of days you want to see prior to today's date. If I change this number to 60 and click OK, you can see song history for 60 days prior to today's date. The next button works identically, except instead of showing song history based on today's date, it shows song history 45 days prior to the last day scheduled, which in this case is March 31st, 2010. Again, by clicking the down arrow, I can change the number of days of history I want to see. The number of days you enter into the box is entirely up to you. Powergold hasn't stopped there, as the next button is one of the best ways to view history. By entering your own date range. Right now, when I click on the icon, I see much of the same dates I was seeing before. But if I click the little down arrow, it gives me an opportunity to select a date range in which I want to see history. For example, I want to see history for the first 3 weeks in February. So I'm going to choose February 1st on the calendar to February 21st. I click OK, and I see 3 weeks of history. Simply enter the date range you want, click OK, and the history is there. These kinds of historical analyses, when used together, can absolutely help you create a better music schedule. Spotting bad scheduling trends can be corrected by tweaking your rules. Plus, we're always here to help. If you have an idea for a Powergold video, let us know. And thanks for watching.